The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is expected to be one of the best mid-range phones of 2025 and even a tough competitor against Galaxy A56. So let's break all the major upgrades down. Starting with the display, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is rumored to feature a 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. It also boasts an impressive 3000 nits peak brightness, making it perfect for outdoor use. The display is protected by Panda glass and features a centered punch hole for the front camera. Moving to the design, the Phone 3A Pro keeps Nothing's signature transparent back panel with the Glyph lighting system, which now offers more customizable LED notifications. The design includes angular elements and a unique camera array layout, all within the same footprint as the standard model. It weighs about 211 grams, available in black and gray. Under the hood, the Phone 3A Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The Adreno 710 GPU ensures a smooth graphics performance great for gaming and multitasking. The camera system is a major highlight. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultrawide camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The front features a 50-megapixel selfie camera. All cameras support Ultra HDR, and we have 4K video recording at 30 FPS, and all beside the enhanced night photography capabilities. Power the device is a 5000 mAh battery with 50-watt wired fast charging support, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. The Phone 3A Pro runs Nothing OS 3.1 based on Android 15, offering a clean and fast user experience. It also includes the Glyph Interface for LED notifications, a dedicated camera button, and an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance. Now let's talk about the price. While Nothing has not officially confirmed it yet, we expect the Phone 3A Pro to start at around $499 to $549. That's a pretty solid price for a phone with a 120Hz AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, and a camera system like this one. And guys, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is going to be launched soon, so you can figure out every major upgrade and leaks by watching these videos. But remember, by subscribing, you're doing us a big favor. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.